Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and I think you should read this book, The Secret Life of Pronouns by James Pennebaker. Now, if you're a language nerd or a word nerd like me, this is a must read. It's very fascinating what the words we choose say about our emotion, about our social status, about our level of honesty. And James Pennebaker goes about it in a very interesting way with the way he analyzes blogs, analyzes speeches from presidents, analyzes his own letters of recommendation that he wrote for students graduating from his classes. And it's very, very interesting. And I do appreciate too that throughout he has helpful charts. So this is a chart about what the kinds of words we use say usually about the level of honesty in what we're saying. And so this is a very fascinating read, and I totally recommend it, and that's my point of view.